Do you want to take your business global? Let's make a Wix website multilingual today. I'll show you step by step zero coding knowledge. Okay, so that first of all we'll take one website here. We will make it multilingual. Now it's the default language is English. We'll do it now. So first of all I will go the Wix add. We need to search at Wix Multilingual. Okay, it's loading. We need to install this one. We need to install it. Add to the site, install it. Let's check. It is doing their process, is installing. Install process is done. Now we'll need to go to our dashboard. Go to dashboard. From dashboard we need to do the rest process. We need to go app, manage app. So we'll go the Wix Multilingual, open it. After opening it, we'll need to set up this start now. Now this detecting my site language. So it's found English is my original site language, so it is site language. So I want to set it as a USA flag, USA. Select flag, done. Follow this step. English confirm original language. English is my original language for this website. Now I need to add the multilingual language. So add language from here. So we can add like German. Select Germany. I will right now go machine translation, but I am recommending you that always go manual translation. This will give you more flexibility, more control. Okay, so I'll go now machine translation. We need to make it visible for right way. Okay, add language. So it's now translated. Now we'll come to our page and refresh it. Let's see. Now here we'll get two type of language selector, German and English. You can see it. We have their translation selector. We need to place it in our header. Need to make it little smaller. Wait. So we'll place it anywhere in our menu. Okay, we'll place it here. Now is English. So if I check is it translate or not, well, if we go German here, it's auto translated done. We need to correct it like our own way, own style. We need to correct it. We need to do styling. Okay, we need to check one by one because after translated it is going the second line, third line, so we need to check it one by one. So we need to get it. You need to set up again everything as per your page style, page design. Okay, you need to set up again so that it will be okay. You need to check everywhere. Right now just we'll see is it okay or not. Just we'll click the publish and we'll go the live site and see is it working or not. Okay, so it's now English is okay. So if we go the Dutch translate, let's see. So now it's perfect. It's perfectly working. We need to adjust our setting as everything. By this way we can easily do multilingual, as many languages as you want to add. Thank you everyone. Hope this video will be very helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel to get more and more video like this.